In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your domain in Constant Contact using DNS records. Verifying your domain helps prove you own it and improves email deliverability, so your messages are less likely to land in spam. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, and I'll point out common pitfalls to help everything go smoothly. First, sign in to your Constant Contact account. Once you're in, head to your account settings. Depending on your version, you'll find what you need under settings, then email authentication or a similar area labeled for domains. Look for an option to add or verify a domain. When prompted, type the domain you want to verify. Enter just the main domain, like example.com, without HTTP or HTTP and without extra paths. Submit it, and Constant Contact will generate a set of DNS records for you. These are typically TXT and sometimes CNAME records used for verification and email authentication. Keep this page open. You'll need to copy the exact host and value for each record. Accuracy matters here. Copy them character for character. Now switch to your domain provider or DNS host, such as your registrar or DNS management service. Open the DNS management or zone editor for the domain you just entered. Add the records Constant Contact provided one by one. For the name or host field, paste the host exactly as shown. For the value, paste the full string provided. Leave TTL at the default unless instructed otherwise. Save each record before moving to the next. If you already have an SPF record and Constant Contact provides another, you should combine them into a single SPF entry rather than creating duplicates. If you're unsure, consult your DNS host's guidance to avoid conflicts. After saving, give the DNS a little time to update. Some providers apply changes within minutes, others may take longer. Go back to Constant Contact and click Verify. If it doesn't verify right away, don't worry. DNS propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours, and in rare cases up to 48. If verification fails, double check for small mistakes, extra spaces, missing characters, or typos in the host name. Make sure you added records to the correct domain and that any underscores in the host are included. Some DNS systems automatically append your domain to the host name, so follow your provider's format guidance. Once Constant Contact detects the records, your domain will be verified and you're all set for authenticated sending. That's it. Simple, secure, and better for deliverability.